first app, exact steps from A to Z that you can follow along. You're going to have all the different ideas you can use for the features, past training webinars that we've had, and all the bonuses and updates that we're adding to Zapable. But let's just jump straight to the builder, as I'm really excited to show you these templates. So inside the builder we have a number of templates that you can use: coffee shop, online coaches, personal trainer, realtors, restaurant. So let's just have a look at the coffee shop app first. Well, if you want to change your layout for your apps, that's really easy to do. You just need to click here where it says change your layout, and you can pick all these different menu designs. So you can see here we have a lot of different designs that you can just point and click your way to changing. It really is that simple. You click on the one you like and it changes. Okay, so these are all the ones we have available that will be in your account. Okay, next, if you want to change colors, you just click on colors, and to change it you just click and you make it whatever color you want. So you see here, I'm going to make the menus blue, and you can see here they go blue. If I want to change them back, I can just simply drag and drop to the colors that I want to make them. It really is point and click easy. That is why Zapable was built. Next, you might be wondering, okay, let's have a look at these features. But let me just do one little thing different that you've probably never seen happen before. How would you like to have this app that you're seeing right now on your phone right now? Okay, let's go do that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to show you a QR code. So all you need to do is bring out your smartphone, your mobile phone, turn on the camera as if you're going to go take a photo of the screen, and just hold it up to the screen. And the camera will scan this code and you'll be able to check out this app on your mobile phone. Or you can open up the browser on your phone, whether you use Chrome or Safari, depending on whether you're using Apple or Android, and just go and type in the coffee shop app, and that will also load this app onto your phone. So while you're doing that, let me just show you some of the features. In this app we have the track and trace. This is all due to the COVID restrictions that came in, that restaurants and local businesses are required. And you might be wondering, how hard is it to create these forms? Not hard at all. In fact, all you need to do is select what you want. So for this example, we have an image. So you'll see here image, and then over here you're going to see the image. Okay, and then that's just selecting this, and boom, select the image you want, and that's it added. That's how easy it is to do. Next, we have menus, so you can view the menus within the device. We have locations, where for this we have video, images, text, the address, the phone number, the contact details, all of the locations of this business. Not only that, let's just go back again. You'll see here we have loyalty cards, so you can put loyalty cards in your app. Again, you can change the font by pointing and clicking. You can change all the button colors. Everything can be done with a point and click of your mouse. For example, in the membership, you'll see here, spend £25 and get a free meal on us. So you can add your loyalty cards, your rewards, how it's validated, and the various options. Okay, we've got image galleries. We have also a great feature where users of the app can now order via the app. So just to show you how that works, let me give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to click on coffee, and I want the latte. I'm going to add it to my cart. I'm going to proceed. My details should already be in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it as a takeaway. And then I'm going to put my table number. So let's say I'm at a restaurant. I can order my food from within this app. We'll click on next. I'm going to choose payment method as cash. You can integrate this with Stripe and PayPal as well, which is amazing. And then I'm just going to go and proceed with the order. Thank you, and a confirmation email has been sent. So if I go to my order history, I can see the order history is within the app. Now what's really cool is this order will also be sent to the business. It can be printed via the business's printer. The business can get a notification, and then they'll simply, I'll just do this as a demonstration purpose, are able to go in, see the order, and then they can just mark it as paid, done, shipped, delivered, scheduled, processing, in discussion. So I'll just mark this as paid. We'll click OK. And let me just update and preview this app, because you'll see how this is all done in real time. And voila, paid. So this integrates with all the different sort of services. Let me just show you something here. There's phone numbers, VATs, there's different stores. So if a business has multiple different stores in different locations, shopping carts, you can choose to hide the price if you want, put taxes in the price. So you can see here, it's a massive, massive feature, and it's just one of many, many features within Zapable, like booking forms, privacy policy, property listings, and podcasts, image galleries, videos, membership protection. So I know we don't want to spend too much time, so let me go and show you another app. Let me show you a real estate app, okay? So we'll go to the real estate template. Again, as I was saying about the fonts, if you want to change your font size, you can do it all here. You can pick the fonts you want, or you can also change the location. So you can see here all these different options. These apps work worldwide in any country within the world, okay? So now let's have a look at this real estate app where we use to add property listings. So let's look at properties available, and you can see here, we'll click on it and people can have a look. They can go through the image gallery as it moves. They can favorite if they want. They can see the address, they can see descriptions, they can see all the amenities, they can message the realtor, they can mark it as favorite. Not only that, they can filter results, so they can have a look for, do they want the rent, sales, property types. So it's amazing, and you might be saying, okay, so how hard is it to add this into the app? Well, I'm going to show you how hard it is. You simply just need to go and create a new listing, put in the info, put in the location, the pricing, the amenities, and done. That's all you need to do. When I said this was point and click easy, I meant it. It really is point and click easy to do. So let me just show you one more app. And this is a fitness app. Now there's hundreds I could show you, but then we're going to be here probably till tomorrow. So I just want to show you this last one, and thanks for your time for watching till this point, okay? And you see here, with this fitness one, this fitness instructor has put in a boot camp within his app. So week 1, begin boot camp. So it gives you the workouts, how to watch the video. And this fitness instructor wanted to do two things. They wanted to improve views on their YouTube channel, and they wanted to improve sort of their product sales. So let's just have a look, product range. They can view all the different products. And let's say someone wants to join. Let me just show you an example of how this works. When they click to join, it will load this here sales page within the app. It really is quite incredible, and is responsible for a huge amount of sales for this personal trainer. You can view the other thing like merch. They have integrated the merch with Teespring. So they're selling their hoodies from Teespring within the app. So let's just show you this again. So when they click on view, again, this will load within the application. And they've also added things such as healthy recipes. So view here, you can view the different recipes that people want to make. Just the general things that people within the fitness niche are interested in. And then you have social, which is the YouTube, the Facebook, the Instagram, the TikTok. So a mobile app allows someone to take all their information, all their assets, all the stuff that makes them sales online, and put it into one little device, which will be then directly placed onto someone's phone. So you see all those little apps on your phone. Well, one of them could be your brand, it could be your client's brand, it could be your face, it could be your name, it could be your business, and it could be on that person's phone right now. And the best part is you can contact them with push notifications over here. So there's nothing that you can't do and house within the mobile app. Okay, so let's just have one quick 60-second fire through all the features. We have bookings, privacy policies, properties, podcasts, images, videos, memberships, build out your custom forms, push notifications, subscribe to different topics, commerce, coupon codes, recipes, digital platforms to sell your digital products, loyalty cards, QR coupons, custom pages, links, Shopify integration, Magento, Volusion, WooCommerce, WordPress. You can take appointments, invite a friend, have a social wall within the app. So like for example, the appointment, you can like do classes, you can have bookings for classes, both services, you can take payments for those appointments. There is just so much you can do. It integrates with PayPal, Stripe, Cash. It has a calendar. You can display it on your website. So like I said, we could be here all day in this demo showing you this, but I am really excited to see you within Zapable, and I look forward to walking you through each and every feature.
Hey there. Welcome to the VidRaffle demo video. VidRaffle allows you to create email exploding raffles in seconds. Works for any business. In just a few simple clicks, you can create fun raffles that capture people's emails and build your list today. So let's dive in and check how easy it is to create lead generation raffles. There are 3 basic steps. Step 1, choose your raffle template. Step 2, customize it for your business. Step 3, embed it on your website to get leads. Now let's see these steps one by one.